You got a blower motor and a wheel. I have to put on the flame sensor. So I'm about to get this taken off and I'll show y'all what that look like in there in a second. Okay, so I got the door off, as you can see. So I'm going to take my speeds off and take my neutral wire off. Take this off, move it right there, bring that out. I'll be right back. Sometimes you have to get your fingers way up in there. So you got fat fingers, it's gonna be a piece of hard work, but you'll be able to get it. I'll show you what it look like in a second. Alright, get that off of there. Take that off. And now move this whole board off of there. Get it upside down like that. Now I have everything that I need to come out. So now I'm gonna get this bolt out. And then got that out. Got the new bolt right here. It's time to get her in there. Get her around. Alright, got that blower back in there. Got the control board up there. No, you good, bro. Yeah, it's good though. Wait, you said they approved it? Yeah. Oh, well then we rocking and rolling then.